Hello guys, assalamu alaikum. I hope you are all doing well, my dear brother, beloved brother and sisters. So as you can see, this is Nurulam. Welcome back to my English habit. So today, once again, I am here. This is a Uttara Fornang sector area, and actually today's weather very cool, but sometimes so hot. Okay, actually I am very tired because almost 10 minute walking, and after record my video. Okay, so actually I want to share you, I am not a perfect, but every day I am trying improving. Okay, so actually uh, there are some noise, vehicles. Okay, actually English uh, is very easy, and English is very hard. Depend on you. Okay, actually I am not perfect, but every day I trying, like listening, reading, writing, and speaking, and record my video, like right now in front of camera. Okay, so this is my short exchange. Okay, so because I want to really learn English, I want to speak English, so that's why every day I am trying. Okay, so if you know, my brother and sister, every hard work person one day will be success, right? So if you really learn English, or if you really speak English, okay, so don't worry, right or wrong doesn't matter, but every day practice, because practice makes a man perfect. uh, I really want to you just only one things, actually only just uh, 1 month ago I cannot, uh, I could not something, like I don't know how to make video, I don't know how to create short sentence and long sentence, but right now I am here. So it is exchange, uh, uh, that is exchange, because every day I trying. Okay, like every day I am trying, every day 2-3 videos make, and every day listening 30 minutes. Okay, and I try reading, and I trying like uh, writing. Okay, because these things very important. Okay, so if you really learn English, don't worry, you just try every day, uh, and every day follow your tricks, tips, and every day follow your method. Okay, because I believe it, uh, if you a hard work person, one day you will be a success. Okay, so don't worry, you just try every day, uh, practice reading, writing. Okay, and every day just uh, your best, uh, like your best, uh, uh, improve. Okay, so I believe it, if you really learn English, or if you want to really speak English, so every day just practice, every day just listening, every day just reading and writing. Okay, so don't excuse, and no, never give up. Okay, every day practice continuous. So I believe inshallah we will be success. Okay, but every day uh, our best try. Okay. As you can see, actually this is a public place, and here uh, after sometimes come and go. Okay, like my behind actually, but right now and today's here people's very like uh, very uh, okay. So and as you can see here, two younger brother jogging, like running. Okay, running. So actually this area uh, fully yeah, nice and neat and clean. Okay, and after sometimes uh, some cars go and come and go. Okay, so don't worry. Actually, this is a public place, and I want to really remove my shyness. So that's why I came here. I try every day here, uh, make videos. Okay. Actually, this video fully practicing video. So don't worry, right or wrong doesn't matter. But I am trying uh, my English improvement. Okay. So you just wash my video. Okay, and and you just practice your tips and tricks. Okay, and like your uh, your method follow. So as you can see, and beside another street. Okay, and as you can see, this is a fully private zone area. Here some road private zone area and fully fresh, neat and clean, as you can see. Okay, and by beside Uttara Phunang sector field. Okay, and here uh, play cricket, play football. Okay, and some uh, many many game. Okay, so uh, okay, come to our main point. Actually, okay, so I want to uh, just I want to tell you, if you want to really learn English, if you want to really speak English, so don't worry, right or wrong doesn't matter, but every day practice. Okay, because practice makes a man perfect. Okay, so I hope you learned something this video, and actually I want to uh, once again keep learning, keep practicing, and every day just consistency. Okay, and never give up, because we want to really learn English. Okay, uh, actually I want to uh, I want to uh, you better me. Okay, but everyday practice, because practice makes a man perfect. So don't worry, you just try every day. Okay, this is a, I don't know this name, but this is a fully fresh area. Okay, and as you can see, there are some people. This is fully sometimes come here very noise, so that's why I stop my video. Okay, so don't worry, uh, actually full area public place. Okay, so that's why here sometimes comes noise. Okay, So okay. So thank you so much watching this video, and see you soon in the next video inshallah. Take care and have a good day. So Allah Hafiz, assalamu alaikum.